Hello everyone, my name is Melanie, and today we are going to learn together about the difference between UX and UI. What are those acronyms that have been here in the last year? In order to know the difference, we need to understand what is each of them. My goal today is that you can tell the difference between them by the end of the video. Let's start. What is UX? According to Interaction Design Foundation, user experience design is the process design teams use to create products that provide meaningful and relevant experiences to users. But this concept is kind of like difficult to catch, right? So let's go with more info about it. Doug Norman was one of vice presidents of Apple. He says that UX term has been used by people to say, oh, I design apps, or oh, I design websites. But no, it is the way you experience the world, your life, the way you experience the service, or yeah, an app, or a computer. It is a system. That's everything. End of the quote. So user experience are all the experiences that live and experience the users. As a scientific process, it could be applied to anything, like a chair, notebook, computer, everything that has experience when you use it. And UX, it is based on two main concepts, soft necessities and friendly experience. User experience design is mostly confused by terms such as user interface design and UX design. They are subsets. They're actually subsets of it. So a little bit of UX here. The UX more some words that you can describe for UX are like people, happiness, efficiency, entertainment, joy, and effectiveness. Actually, this over here, the double diamond, it is the process that a UX designer does. Research, insights, ideation, prototypes, and it's like interaction with the end. If you want to see more about a UX designer does and they are currently working, you can search more about it. It is really quite interesting. So let's go with the following. UI. UI design stands for user interface. The user interface is the graphical layout of an application. It consists of the buttons users click on, the text they read, the images slider, text entry in fields, and all the rest of the items the users interact with. This includes screen layout, transition, interface animation, and every single micro interaction. Any sort of visual element, interaction, or animation must be all designed. Let's look more with assets here. UI. What does a UX designer? What UI designer does? UI designer decides what the application is going to look like. Like they have to choose the color schemes, the button shapes, the width of lines, etc. UI designers are actually graphic designers. It is up to them to make sure that it is really visual. So over here you can see the check boxes here, the warnings, like also the errors, or like if it successfully downloaded. Those are the things that a UI make decisions. These animations, which are the best to be included on the website. Some UI design. So here maybe you can see what a UI design did, like the color of the skin, the colors of the skin, like this blue. Why this is blue? Why this choose the red one? Because it is more with the sky, and this yellow one. Also the bottom over here, the color of it. the size of it, the word over the sliders over here, what to choose, which sliders are better. So what is a UX and how to apply? Usability is an attribute of a good user experience, and UI, or user interface, it is with you interact. So let's see the following example to know more about the UI and versus UX. So UI. You can see here the button that it is comprar, that it is to buy in Spanish, that allow us to buy when you click in here. But you can see that there's more things that you can add here, right? So let's go to the following. Usability. So here it is the same button that you can see to buy, but you can hear over here that there's a go back where you can click and see the more products that you have. And also you can see here that it says that it is the price, the quantity, and the size of the product that you want, right? So it has more information. So let's go here because there's missing some stuff here, and I think that we can do like a more good UX. So a good UX makes you feel like, wow, this describes like everything. I have like many things to do. Like for example, how many ingredients it has, the calories, and also I can add it to my favorite here, right? I can add it to my favorite, but it has like these things over here, and there's like a fancy product, right? And it makes you feel like you wanna go to the like to the store, use more this app, like it's more interactive than this one, right? So this is like the UI, okay, and this is usability and UX. So you can tell the difference until now. This is good UX and this is UI and usability. The UI allows me to buy. The usability allows me to prevent the error, and UX is what I perceive. UX is not functionality. It's putting on the user's shoes. Because here I can buy and I can know the price and everything, but here I have the whole experience, right? So that's why UX, well, actually, what UI and usability and all like the writing and everything are like the subsets of UX design. UX design is the whole experience that you have. So now that we know the difference, let's see how do UX design and UI design work together. So UX is like US user research, like how the users and we can feel with the product, with service, and UI are more like the visual things, like the photography, the visual experience, the layout, the animations and stuff. Let's see again with an example. So imagine that you just design like a really incredible app and you want to sell it. And you hire the UX designer to do the all research into how to map out the experience. When it is on the market, the users realize that the text is too small, that you can barely click on navigation button, so that's not quite right. And that's a good example of a bad UI destroying what would have been good UX, because UI and UX complement. Again, so UI would be the text could be like bigger, like the navigation may be bigger too, or which color of the navigation would have been, right? And the UX is like the experience that we have with the product. So in conclusion, UX is what a brand or product makes you feel when you interact with, while UI is colors, textures, shapes, and elements. I hope you could tell the difference between UX and UI. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you enjoy it. To enjoy the experience of the course.